Here is how I caught roughly 30 points on Nasdaq this morning, making over $600 in profit on this XFA, as well as funding these two combines, with now leaving me with a total of 150K in funded capital, which is a good step. All right, caught this long position over here, roughly 30 points to the upside, and I will give you guys a top down analysis of why I took this trade, all that good shit. All right, I took this trade once again like a fucking broken record after we had a liquidity strip. All right, London's low were resting right below here, and Asia lows were right around here. Okay, guys, I'm not interested in taking a trade before we have a liquidity sweep, whether that is previous day's highs, London's highs, or Asia highs, which is the previous session. As you guys can see, we ended up sweeping both of these lows, and we also have London's highs resting above here, and we have Asia highs resting above here. I'm going to delete this because it makes the chart look trippy as fuck, and you guys already know that I do not enter a trade before we have a liquidity sweep. Done. Here and here. I also use this 5 minute fair value gap as confluence into this trade. All right. I knew price would have a liquidity sweep, but yesterday we were very, very bullish. I knew, when I go into the market, I never truly have a bias. I understand price can sometimes come all the way back down to this 4 hour fair value gap, or if it's very, very trendy and decides to just fuck off and be a trendy day, come for yesterday's previous day's lows around here. All right. So I never come with a bias. I want to react to price, or I never want to predict. I want to see what price does. Nevertheless, when we came to this bullish PD array around here, which is a 5 minute bullish for value gap, we never had any strong candle closures underneath it on the 5 minute, and I did notice that we respected on the 1 minute. I executed on the 1 minute time frame. My entry for this trade was after we inverse this 1 minute bearish for value gap, as you guys can see over here, this wick and this wick, the gap in between. Price had a massive CISD on this big ass candle. Okay, closing above all of these previous candles, changing the state of delivery. When I have a nice CISD such as this one, all right, guys, I don't care to wait for the retest of it because we already changed the delivery and had a massive market structure shift. Okay, so I entered as I noticed that we closed already above this candle right here, creating me the change in the state of delivery. When I see this momentum, I typically don't wait for a retest. Okay, I'm a one-on-one. I want to catch just this opposing liquidity. I'm a momentum trader. Okay, I want to catch that momentum and beat out of here. Simple as that. I did target opposing liquidity, but obviously, as you guys can see, price started to chop around here. So I objectively had a nice objective exit. Not a premature one, in my opinion, an objective exit right around here. Caught what I caught, happy with it. First winning trade of this XFA. Okay, made some nice profit around here in just fucking 3 minutes, right? And I'm 150K in funded capital now. So I'll take that, guys. Happy with it. Price now is rallying up, could potentially sweep these London's highs around here and Asia highs around here, but obviously I'm done for the day. I just had a one and done. There's rules I have to follow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fucking hit the gym, journal this, post this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. First trade on this new XFA. We're gonna keep killing it. We're gonna stack these payouts, and we're gonna fucking win. All right, boys. If you guys are trading, stay journaling, stay hungry. You'll make it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you fuck with this type of content. You will be showing me your support, and you will be helping me reach other people that want to see this type of content so they can become profitable and gain some trading insight. All right. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Let's fucking go.